My name is Edgar Millan and I'll be working on workshop 5, frame surfaces creation. For the first step, we'll be able to click File, New, enter Surf Create as the new name, click on OK, choose Default Tolerance and select MSC Nastran as the analysis code and select Structural for the analysis type and then click OK. For step 2, we will click on Geometry, Create, Surface and XYZ. Select on vector coordinates list and enter 24 for x, 10 for y, and 0 for z, and then click apply. For step 3, we will press on geometry, create, surface, and extrude. The translation vector will be 0 for x, 0 for y, and 2 for z, and make sure to uncheck the auto execute button. Then press apply. Then the new translation vector will be 0 for x, 0 for y, and -2 for z. Click apply and then change the view to ISO1 view and select on the label control icon and select surfaces. Now we will click on transform, surface, and translate. The translation vector will be 0 for x, -10 for y, and 0 for z. Make sure to check auto execute and then click under surface list and select surface 2 and 3. And the second translation vector will be 24 for x, 0 for y, and 0 for z. And then click under surface list and select all the surfaces and then click apply. Now we will change it to create, point, and extract. We will select single point on surface icon and change the U parametric position to 0.25 and the V parametric position to 0.5. Click under surface list and select surface 1 and then click apply. Repeat this step but now with the U parametric position to be 0.75 and the V parametric position 0.5 and then press apply. And repeat these steps with surface 6. For this next step, press on the button for create, curve, and 2D circles. Give an input radius of 2.5 and click under the center points list and select point 19. And repeat these previous steps for point 19. To extend the parametric surfaces, we will click on the edit button, then surface, then extend. We will select the fixed length icon, then select edit all associate surface icon. We will give it a length of 2.0 and uncheck auto execute. You will have to click under the surface edge and select the following edges as shown in the figure and then apply. Now click on edit, surface, and break. Select the option curve and select the auto execute button. Select the surface 1 and then break curve, select curve 1 and 2. Click apply and select yes to delete the original surfaces and deselect the point icon from the label control. Press on the geometry button, then select delete and surface. Click on the surface list and select surface 12 and 14, then click apply. To add the next two holes to the surface, we'll need to click the button for geometry, make it to edit, surface, and add a hole. Put center point for option, give it a radius of 2.5, and click under the surface and select surface 6. Make sure to click under center point list and select point 21 and 26. After that, click apply. To transform the surfaces, you need to click on the geometry button, make it to transform, surface, and to translate. The translation vector will be 24 for x, 0 for y, and 0 for z. The repeat count will be 2, and make sure to check the auto execute button. Set the pick and preferences to enclose any portion of entity, and click under surface list and select surface Z.10 as shown in the figure. And then make sure the figure should look like the following. To create the breaking plane, make it to transform, point, and to translate. The translation vector will be 4 for x, 0 for y, and 0 for z. The repeat count will be 1, and click under point list and select point 26. The next step will be to change it to create, plane, and 3 points. For point 1, we will list point 27 as shown in the figure. Then point 2 will be point 49 as shown in the figure. And point 3 will be point 30 as shown in the figure. Then click apply.